Come on, kids. Oh.
Psst. Psst. Hey, guys.
Woody?
Woody!
Woody! Thank goodness.
You're alive!
What? I'm alive. Hey, my hat. Wait, where's Buzz?
Lotso did something to him. He thinks he's a real space ranger again.
Oh, no.
Oh, yes. Return of the astronaut.
Oh, Woody, we were wrong to leave Andy. I was wrong.
Jesse's right, Woody. She was wrong.
No, it's my fault for leaving you guys. From now on, we stick together.
But Andy's leaving for college.
College? Hot time the mailman. We gotta get you home before Andy leaves tomorrow.
Tomorrow? But that means...
It means we're busting out of here. Tonight.
What? Impossible.
But there's no way out of here.
No, there is one way out. One way. Okay, here's what we're gonna do.
Dog. Present.
Yo.
Here. Hey, wake up! Impossible! Hey!
Late for a stroll, eh, Potato Head? That's Mr. Potato Head to you, Smoothie. Yeah, well, you've turned out to be quite the troublemaker, aren't you?
Yeah, and I would have got away with it, too. Wouldn't be a meddling toy. You ascot-wearing pink-noser.
Ow! Take him back to the box.
No, not the box. I'm sorry. I didn't mean it. I like ascots. Really? No.
Okay, check.
Good work, Lightyear. All right, resume your, space guide thingy.
Yes, sir, well-groomed man.
What do you want?
I can't take it here, Ken.
Yeah, well, you should have thought of that yesterday.
I was wrong. I want to be with you, Ken. I do. In your dream house. Please take me away from this. Take me away.
Darn it, Barbie. Okay, but things are complicated around here. You gotta do what I say.
I will, Ken. I promise.
Finally! This is terrific! That's it!
Get your paws off!